Hey family, garden family. As the summer progresses and things start winding down and speeding up, I'm walking through my garden and I am just looking at some of the melons that are coming up. I have these melons here. I can't remember the name of it. I'm thinking they are Kajari. See those little, they're not going to get that big. Maybe the size that can fit in your palm of your hand. I got a few over here and I'm so excited because this is like the second year that I have been trying to grow these. I need to protect them, and I have these coming out of pots and they're growing up on this little cattle panel fencing here. So, and I have to make sure I protect them because deer come on the other side of the fence and nibbling on my vines. I don't know if you can see that one down here. See this? Yeah, that is so nice. I'm so excited to see that. It's been raining. Thank you for the rain. I know some people got too much rain. I'm going to come through here this evening as I'm walking through the garden, and I'm going to get a little more fertilizer in these plants because, again, it's been raining a lot. Now I have this small little patch over here, and this is slow to take off. I don't know if you can see it. We got yellowing on the leaves over here. This is where I had my first set of corn over here. So now it's getting a little bit more sunlight, but I'm going to fertilize this as well. I just noticed that I do have a small melon in there. You see that? And these are sugar babies, so they won't get that large. And as we go over here, and you can see this vine on top of my water barrel, I have the melons just growing on this side over here. They are all just doing beautifully. Again, I'm going to come and I'm going to fertilize. It's going over there. It's growing up this trellis. I've already netted this up, and I have another one under here that I netted as well. So we got two here so far. I had one, and then I have this growing up here. See that? And I have another one somewhere under here. I have another on the other side of the fence that you can't see. I've already netted that up. And again, speaking of the deer and protecting these, so as the melons come up, when they get like this size that you see here, I'm going to put a little mesh over them to kind of protect them, because the one that I took too early, it wasn't quite right. I can tell that it looked like a squirrel or something. Probably a squirrel was trying to get at it, but they couldn't through the netting. So that's what I want to come do. I mean, I have so many out here. I'm just praying that I get some. And as you can see, the vining is going even in my planter there. So I'm excited about that. That's the one there. We got these two here. And I'm pretty sure I have another one somewhere down there. That's 3. And I just noticed one in here. 4. So they're nestled in here. And I'm just trying to keep it, I guess, neat. I don't want it to ramble around. So as it pokes out right here, I kind of twist them around in. So I have another variety. This is Sugar Baby here. And I've already netted that up. Now I got 2 varieties. And I think this other variety is I can't find one. I think it's a Charleston. Yeah. But as you can see, just to get a little closer, and I don't know if you can see that down there. It's already netted up. That's on the other side of the fence. So everything is looking good. Like I said, we're getting a lot of rain, which is wonderful for the melons in my garden. So Just gonna squeeze through here. And then I had some plants that I put in these buckets. Oh, we're getting a little melon on this. And I think this is the other variety. It could turn out to be a sugar baby once it gets larger. But I'm excited about my melons. They are looking great. I'm so happy. So excited. I just hope I get to eat some and enjoy, and I hope they're delicious. I know last year the squirrels just did my cantaloupe in. So those are the melons. If you guys have any suggestions on growing melons or how to determine when they're ready to pick, because again, I picked one that was a nice size, but it wasn't quite ready. I think another week or maybe 2 would have did it and got it there nicely. But it's not a complete loss. I'm giving them to my chickens. Keep gardening. Thank you.